If you've ever lost a car key or just needed a spare, you know that getting a new one can often be a costly and time-consuming affair, especially if you're dealing with modern transponder keys. Today, we're diving into a product that claims to simplify this process: the replacement ignition transponder Uncut key compatible with ID46 Circle Plus. This set comes with 2 Uncut keys and promises compatibility with a range of models, essentially serving as a DIY solution for car owners who prefer to handle things themselves. Firstly, let's talk about what these keys offer. They are designed to replace several key models including ID46 Circle Plus, B111PT, B112PT, and more, which you'll find in various GM and Chevrolet vehicles. This means if your vehicle falls within these specifications, these replacement keys could potentially save you a trip to the dealership. However, the catch here is that you must have an original master key to use the self-programming feature. If you don't, you'll need professional help for both cutting and programming the key, which does add to the overall cost and effort. The process of programming the key yourself involves following a set of instructions provided with the keys. These instructions are meant to be straightforward, but this can vary based on your familiarity with automotive DIY projects. It's crucial that no programming attempts are made until the key is cut to match your vehicle's ignition, as premature attempts could lead to complications. Material-wise, the keys are made of plastic, similar to most standard car keys, and they come designed to function just like the original. The aesthetic and tactile feel should match OEM keys, which is a plus for those who are looking for a key that doesn't just work well but also looks the part. However, while these replacement keys are positioned as a cost-effective alternative to dealership prices, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. For one, the quality of the final setup. How well the... Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.